Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Whirlpool Agitator Repair is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your washing machine, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about this essential repair kit, from identifying the signs of a failing agitator to completing the repair process successfully, saving you money and extending the life of your appliance. We'll cover selecting the right kit, understanding the installation process, and troubleshooting common problems, so you can get your washing machine back to peak performance in no time. Number 5. BlueStars 80040 Washer Agitator Dogs. These agitator dogs are built to last. Enjoy reliable performance with our lifetime protection against defects. They're designed for a perfect fit in most top brands. Installation is quick and easy. Made from high-quality plastic, they meet OEM standards for long-lasting performance. Say goodbye to noisy operation, slow spins, or failure to agitate. It will restore your washer to peak efficiency. They're compatible with many models from Whirlpool, Kenmore, and other major brands. Check the model number to ensure compatibility. This 12-pack provides you with plenty of replacements, ensuring you're prepared for years to come. What we like. This one offers a lifetime warranty, ensuring long-term reliability. It also comes in a pack of 12, providing ample replacements. If you need a cost-effective, long-lasting solution with multiple replacements, this is the one for you. What people say. I noticed a substantial improvement in the agitator when I replaced my cogs, even though they weren't broken or completely worn out yet. It's a cheap and really easy way to get better performance from your washer. These fit my Roper washer agitator. They work like a charm. Easy to install myself. The agitator on our washing machine had not been working for quite some time. My husband found the problem and it appeared we needed new washer agitator dogs. They were easy to replace and now the machine works great. Number 4. BlueStars 285811 Washer Repair Kit. Don't worry, our BlueStars 285811 Repair Kit is here to help. It's a complete set that includes everything you need to get your machine working again. This kit has 4 directional cogs, a medium cam, a cap seal, and all the necessary washers. It's designed for a perfect fit and easy installation. It's designed to fit many top brands like Whirlpool and Kenmore. Just unplug your washer, put on your gloves, and follow the simple instructions. This kit replaces many part numbers, so check the compatibility list to see if it works with your machine. We're here to help if you have questions. Repairing your washer yourself is an inexpensive alternative to a costly replacement. Plus, you'll get it fixed quickly and efficiently. It's made of durable, high-quality materials and is well tested to meet OEM standards. This ensures long-lasting performance and helps prevent future problems. What we like. It's a complete kit, including all necessary components for a thorough repair. Installation is straightforward, saving you time and effort. If you value convenience and a high-quality, all-inclusive repair solution, this is the best choice. What people say. Perfect, exactly the right parts. Easy to change out. Good directions also. Fits perfectly and my washer is working like new. This fixed the broken agitator dogs on my machine and got it running and cleaning clothes. Number 3. Seentech 285811 Agitator Repair Kit. This kit is designed to fix your malfunctioning washing machine agitator. It's compatible with many major brands, saving you time and money. It works with Whirlpool, Kenmore, Roper, and other brands. Check the part numbers to ensure compatibility with your model. It's made from durable, high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. It's easy to install, saving you time and effort. Does your washer fail to agitate, make noise, or shake excessively? This kit addresses these issues. The kit includes everything you need for a complete repair: agitator dogs, cam, seals, and washers. Installation is straightforward. We're confident you'll be satisfied. Enjoy a 30-day return window for a risk-free purchase. Contact our customer service team if you have any questions. What we like. This option prioritizes high-quality materials and simple installation. The 30-day return policy ensures peace of mind. If you want a durable, easy-to-install part with a risk-free purchase, this is a great option. What people say. 99% of required parts for an agitator rebuild included in this assembly. Besides the depicted grease, I ended up just using axle grease I had in the garage, and the kit included a sealing O-ring, so it should in theory never come in contact with the garments in the wash. Once everything was replaced, the machine worked great again, no excessive noise, felt stout, and everything fit as required. Entire job only took about 5 minutes. Only tools need are 11mm socket, ratchet and longer extension, O-ring pick, and maybe a flathead screwdriver. All steps included in paper manual. While scouring reviews, I found that this is not the correct kit for my Kenmore Model 110 washer. However, it does work perfectly if the original cam is not damaged. The cam is the largest part in this kit. The Model 110 has a taller cam, which is still in perfect condition in my washer, so all of the rest of the components in this kit can be used with the old cam. My cams or dogs as they are more commonly known wore out on my clothes washing machine agitator. They had done this once before back around 2006 and I had installed an agitator kit, 285811, back then, but from a different supplier. All the parts were the same as my previous kit, and I installed it in about an hour. Everything went back together just right and I am ready to start washing clothes once again. My washer is a Whirlpool 2-speed automatic, model LA5550XT, and this agitator repair kit makes my agitator work like new again. Number 2. BlueStars Ultra Durable Washer Repair Kit. This kit provides a reliable and easy solution for your washing machine problems. It's designed to restore your appliance's performance and save you money on costly repairs. We stand behind our product with a lifetime protection guarantee. This ensures you'll always have support if any defects or issues arise. It's designed for easy installation and is compatible with many top brands. Simply replace the old parts with this kit and get your washer working again. It's made from high-quality, durable materials, built to last. This ensures long-lasting performance and effective agitation. This kit addresses common problems like noisy operation, failure to agitate, and spinning issues. Get your washer back to its optimal performance. It's compatible with a wide variety of washing machine models from top brands like Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, and more. Check the list to see if it fits your model. What we like. It boasts a lifetime warranty for lasting reliability and is designed for easy installation. The premium materials ensure long-term performance. If you prioritize durability and a worry-free solution with a lifetime warranty, this is the ideal choice. What people say. After 2 videos and a couple of searches I found this part, and it was a perfect fit. I'm not mechanically inclined, and had not repaired any appliance before. I swapped this part in under an hour and it is working like it should. It has been working fine for a bit over 6 months now, and I think it will last. Try this first before calling a repair person, if your agitator stops working. Worked well for my Whirlpool washer. Took less than 5 minutes to fix. I ordered this because the dogs in my 20-year-old washer have completely deteriorated and the agitator no longer spins. Only bits of them are left. The cam and bearing are showing their age as well. Fits perfectly on my Whirlpool washer. Quality seems good. Easy to install. Number 1. Seentech 285809 Washer Repair Kit. Is your washing machine struggling? It might be time for a simple repair. This kit is here to help. This easy-to-install kit is compatible with many Whirlpool, Amana, and other major brands. It's the perfect solution for common washer problems. You get everything you need, the cam, 4 dogs, and a bearing. Everything is designed for a quick and easy fix. Does it not agitate, make noise, pump but not spin, or shake excessively? This kit addresses these problems and more. It's made from durable, high-quality materials and is designed for simple installation, saving you time and money. Check the product description to see if it fits your specific washing machine model. It replaces several common part numbers. We stand behind our product. If you're not satisfied, you can return it within 30 days. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. This offers a simple installation process, saving you valuable time. The high-quality materials guarantee long-lasting performance, and the 30-day return policy minimizes risk. If you need a quick, reliable fix with a satisfaction guarantee, this is it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.